Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone runs iOS 14. 5 or later, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and the AirTag battery tab is out. Once ready, hold the AirTag near your phone. Proximity initiates pairing. Open the Find My app, tap Items, then Add Item and choose Add AirTag. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts as they appear. This is the first actionable step, so don't linger. Start now and move to naming it in the next step. Once the device is detected, you'll be prompted to name the AirTag. Choose a preset like keys or enter a custom name to identify it faster later. Next, confirm your Apple ID to register the AirTag to your account. This ties the item to you for lost mode and anti-theft features. Make sure you watch for the activation animation. Once it finishes, tap Done. If the AirTag doesn't activate immediately, move it closer and retry the process to ensure registration completes. To finish, test the connection by selecting the AirTag in Find My and playing a sound to confirm audio and Bluetooth link. Make sure Lost Mode is enabled if you want alerts and location history. You can also enable notifications for separation alerts. If anything goes wrong, first restart your iPhone, remove and reseat the AirTag battery, and confirm your iOS version. These steps resolve most pairing issues. If problems persist, try pairing with another compatible iPhone to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.